Okay guys, check this out. It's all food carts and motorbikes and stands and tables. Food at the beach. There's some amazing food here, let me tell you. And reasonable prices. This dog was barking at a pigeon. Look at that! Oh, easy do you have it? when at the beach. Oh, squid and mussels. There's a lot of squid here, which makes me happy. But some of these people are, you know, they got more food than a restaurant. So they have. Look at her little girl. Fried chicken. Can't go wrong with fried chicken and quail eggs. On a duck. Fried chicken and rice. It's got a flour. Some hot dogs. Corn. More squid. Oysters, shrimp, snails. That's a pretty good deal actually. 100 baht for that many? Seems like a good deal to me. Just doing stir-fried noodles and soup. Chocolate crepe.
พ่อให้โทรหาเฉยๆโทรกลับหาพ่อเอาเองพ่อวัดพ่อวัดพ่อตามสบายน้องใส่ถุงไหมคะใส่ค่ะเบอร์092อะไร779อะไร
Egg and crab. Hello.
เขาไม่รู้แป๊บนึงเดี๋ยวดูให้
Oh, it's a black crepe. I didn't know that was there. I haven't seen this one before. That's interesting.
702
This is a motorbike. Look at the menu. More than 20, 20 options just in the pictures. Good afternoon. Wow. How do they drive with all this stuff on there?
เป็นข้าวผัดกะเพรายำมาม่าวุ้นเส้นเส้นแก้วยำหมูกรอบแล้วก็เป็นส้มตำ
There's a motorbike in there somewhere. Can't go wrong with dried squid. But she's got squid 3 or 4 ways.
เอาในหม้อกินวันเดียวไม่ไปกินเลยก็ทำร้อนๆร้อนๆเนาะเหงื่อก็ออกเรายืนมองอยู่เนี่ยแบบนี้แหละ
แม่ค้าสวยแม่ไม้ครับ
There's the smile.
เป็นบุญผูกหัวตำปลาทูตั้ง20นะ
ปลาทูอยู่ไหน
ปลาทูอยู่บ้านถ่ายถุง
โอเค โอเค อยากเหลือเกิน
เอาปูปลาร้าด้วยนะ
Quail eggs. I think this is the end of the food.
10 บาท 10 บาท
10 baht, 10 baht. Can't go to the beach and not have squid. I got 4 different ones. These are the same, but one's got a spicy sauce on it. These are normal dried squid, but really small. And this is the one I'm looking forward to. It's all squid heads. Just the head. These cost 10 baht each, which is pretty cheap. Everyone's laughing at me. I said it before. I don't know why more people don't eat the squid head. It's the best part. Oh, that's good. A little bit salt. These are probably the squid that the head came from. Oh, it's beautiful now. The rain finally stopped. Very good. These little ones I'm interested in too. Look at tiny that one is. Sweet sauce. Tamarind sauce. I'm not so sure about that one. It's okay, but not my favorite. That's the same ones without the sauce. Very chewy. Really good. They're all good. The one with the sauce is unique. I've never had it before. Probably my least favorite, but still good. You can't go wrong with squid on the beach. Alright guys, there it is. As always, thanks for watching.